Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a My Creative Times project with you today. And so I am using the small and medium ginger faces. I'm using this little small one right there. I'm also using the 5 by 5 card layer dies, and I'm just using the outer two. I'm using the umbrella die. Not the shaker part though. I'm also using the Garden Gingers 1, and I'm using these here as well as the bowl there. I'm using also the strawberry plate die, and I made a few strawberries from there. The pretty butterfly dies, I'm using a few of these, I think these two actually just right there. And then I'm also using the ginger boy and girl dies, and I'm using this and this here. And then I pulled out the everyday word dies, and I'm using hello from that. And I am also using the smaller rosette die, that one there. And then I'm using the pretty watercolor paper. I'm using the blue. And from the Gorgeous Gardens, I'm using the green and the strawberries. And here's this adorable little card that I made for today. Let me bring that a little bit more close so you can see it. This is where I used the butterfly dies for the hair, and I got that from one of our design team sisters. I forgot which one, but it is from one of our design team sisters. And then I just added some accents with the Jelly Roll pen, and actually it's number 8 that I used. And then added some buttons from the Garden Ginger there, as well as on her bows. And there goes the hello die from that everyday word dies. And this is how I used the rosette back there for grass. And then that beautiful umbrella, and I added a strawberry on top and put a few strawberries down below there. And that background paper there from the watercolor paper. That's where I got the sky look from. And then I just did the inside of the card. But I thought she turned out so cute on top of there. And that's what I have for you today. Now, if you'd like to pick up anything from My Creative Time, you may use my code MOE for a 10% off your total purchase. And remember, on release weekends, it's 15% off. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.